In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar to your Wix website. This can be a really handy feature, enhancing the user experience by letting visitors easily find what they're looking for. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and have your website open in the Wix editor. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the left-hand menu where you have various options. Here, locate and click on the Apps icon. This is where Wix has a multitude of features that you can integrate into your site, including the search functionality we're focusing on today. Now, within the Apps section, you'll see a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type in Wix Site Search. They have tailored this tool specifically so that users can incorporate a search bar seamlessly onto their sites. After entering your search, you should see an option that says, "Give visitors an easy way to search your site." Click on it. This option is designed to streamline the process for your visitors by making content easily accessible and increasing engagement on your site. Next, go ahead and hit the Add to Site button. This is a straightforward step, but a highly crucial one as it integrates the search function directly into your web page. Once you click this button, you may need to agree to some terms and conditions as part of the installation process. There will be a prompt labeled Add and Agree, which you should select to continue. It's a standard procedure that you'll find with most apps that you add to your site, ensuring you're aware of any changes the app might apply. With the search bar now added to your site, the next step is customization. Customizing the search bar's design is an exciting part where you can really make it your own. Head back to your Wix editor, and upon selecting the search bar, you should see options to personalize it to better match your site's appearance. From adjusting colors to changing the text font, take your time to tweak these elements until it visually fits your brand. Finally, don't forget to set up the search results page. This is where the magic happens, what your visitors will see when they use the search bar. You want this page to be clear and concise, displaying search results that are relevant and organized. Make sure you've added this functionality correctly so that it acts as a reliable resource for your audience. And there you have it, your very own search bar added to your Wix website. This feature will not only enhance your site's navigation, but also improve the overall user experience for visitors. Thank you for watching, and happy website building!